Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter number 7, decimals. Exercise 7.1. Question number 1. Write the expanded form. Write the expanded form. That first question, that first part. 21.005. So how you will be write in expanded form? That is very easy. No problem will be here. That will be is equal to 20 plus 1 plus 0 upon 110 plus 0 upon 100 plus 5 upon 1000. So 0 zeros are coming here. See that 0 0 is coming. So no need to write that one also. Or you can write directly 5 upon 1000. 5 upon 1000. Or you can write also. No problem will be there. Second part, that is 9.808 is equal to, that will be right 9 plus 8 upon 10 plus 100 places, that is 0, so no need to write, and then thousandth place is 8. That third part is 92.543 is equal to 90 plus 2 plus 5 upon 10 plus 4 upon 100 plus 3 upon 1000. All the after decimal all the digit is given here in natural number. Fourth part, that 98 point, fifth part we will see here. Fifth part, fourth part and sixth part you can do. 616 decimal 600 is equal to 600 plus 10 plus 6 plus 6 upon 10 plus 1 upon 100 plus 6 upon 1000. Then second question, write decimal for each of the following. Write decimal each of the following. This is also very easy question. That is first part, 6 ones plus 6 tenths plus 2 hundredths then plus 3 thousandths. So how you will be write that 6 decimal. Why we have decimal is coming here? Because th is there. th. When you will be see the ths, then you will be put the decimal. Then after you will be write the similar digits. And then second part you can do. Third part, yes, you will be see the third part, that 800 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 4 ones plus 8 thousandths. So here will be just complicate 824 that is come, and th now start as. Then 10th place is not there, 100th place also not there, so we will write the 0 for 10th place and 100th place, and then after 8 will be come. And then fourth part also you can do. Fifth part, fifth part, 610 plus 4 ones, 4 ones plus 5 tenth, 5 tenths plus 8 thousandths, 8 thousandths. That is, you are looking 6 10, 4 ones, then decimal, 10th place is 5, 100th place is not given, so that is 0, 1000th place is this one. And then 6th part also you can do, no problem will be there. Now the question number 3. Convert the following as fraction in the lowest term or as mixed number. So third question, first part is 13.72. So how you will be do this one? See that, very easy. 1372 you will be write similarly, and then 4 decimal you will be write the 1. After that 2 digit are there, so you will be write the 2 digit. This is can be cancelled also by 4. 4 25 ja, and then 4 3 ja 12, then 17, 4 4 ja 16, then 4 3 ja. So that is 343 upon 25. And then you will be write in mixed fraction also you can write. So how you will be write in mixed fraction? First of all you will be divide numerator by denominator. 25 1 ja 25, and then left is 9 3. So 25 3 ja 75, and then left 13 less 5 8, and then 7 less 1. So that 13 whole 18 upon 25. 13 whole 18 upon 25. So this one you will be write in whole place, and this one numerator place remainder, and then divisor is comes on denominator place. Similarly you will be write other also, if that is possible cancel, then you will be cancel also that second part 94.07. So similarly you will write 9407 upon, that will be on the place of decimal, that is a 1, and then after 0. So that will be not cancel. So directly we will write in mixed fraction, that will be 94 whole by the division 94 whole 7 upon 100. You can check by division. And then third question also, see that third question, third part is 2.253. 2.253 is equal to, similarly 253 you will be write, and then on the place of decimal 1, then after 3 digit are there, so we will write 3 zeros. This also can be not cancel. So you will write in mixed fraction, that will be 2 whole 253 upon 1000 by divide we have seen. And then fourth question you can do, see that fifth part, that is fifth part 6.0005 005. So that will be 60005 upon, on the place of decimal you will write 10000. After that decimal 1 2 3 4 digits are there, so 1 2 3 4 zeros are there. This cancel by 5. 5 2 ja, and 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 2 ja, and then 0 0 5 1 ja. So that will become 12001 upon 2000. So you will be write in mixed fraction, that will become how many time that will be go? 6 time. 2 6 are 12. 6 whole 1 upon 2000. 6 whole 1 upon 2000. And then after 6 part also see that 0.0125 is equal to 125 upon 1. After decimal 1 2 3 4 digit 1 2 3 4. So that 125 बन जा 125, 125 8 जा, so that is 1 upon 8. And then see that part number 9th. 9th part is 0.375. 0.375 is equal to 375 is this. 375, yes. 5 upon 1000. This will be cancelled by that 25. First of all, we will check from 1 upon 8. We can write here 1 upon 8. That 5 2 ja, and then 5 7 ja 35, 2 5 5 ja, and then 5 4 ja, 5 1 ja 5, and then 5 again by 5 5 8 ja 5 3 ja, so that is 3 upon 8. Now we will see the another more part. That 9th part is done. 10th part you can do. 11th part also no problem is there. 12th part. 12th part 17.250 is equal to 17.250 upon that 1 1 2 3. That was cancelled, and then it's cancelled by 25. 25 4 ja, and then after, or you can see that from 5 20 ja, and then 5 3 ja 15, 2 are left, 5 4 ja 2 5 5 ja, then again by 5 4 ja 5 6 ja 30, 5 9 ja 45, that is 69 upon 4, or we can write in mixed fraction. That will become 4 1 ja 4, and then 4 1 ja 4, and then 4 7 ja 28, and then 1 will be left by division, that is 4. Answer. This is the 12th part. 13th part also see that 42 decimal 100, and then 42 100 upon 1000. 1 these zeros has cancelled. Now no number can be cancelled, so we can direct write in mixed fraction 42 whole 1 upon 10. 42 whole 1 upon 10. Next is 15th part. Now 14th part, that 32.04. 32.04 is equal to 3204 upon 100. That will be cancelled by 4. Yes, 4 25 ja, 4 8 ja 32, 0 4 1 ja 4. So we will write direct in mixed fraction now. That will be 25 3 ja 75, then 2 ja, and then that will be left 1 upon 25. 15th part, that will be 210 decimal 200 is equal to 210200 upon 1, then 0, 0, 0. 2 zeros are cancelled, and then by cancel 2. 2 5 ja 10, and then 2 1 ja 0, 2 5 ja 2 1 ja. So that is 10 50 1 upon 5. That will be 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, 0 whole 1 upon 5. 210 whole 1 upon 5. Okay.